Caring for a loved one with dementia can be both deeply rewarding and incredibly challenging. Families often face uncertainty, emotional stress, and the constant need to adapt as their loved one's needs change. Finding trustworthy, practical solutions is essential, not just for the well-being of the person with dementia, but also for the peace of mind of those providing care. At Caregiving Advice, we understand these challenges firsthand, and our goal is to help you navigate them with honest guidance and reliable resources. Every family's journey is unique, but you don't have to face it alone. Dementia is a general term used to describe a decline in cognitive abilities, such as memory, reasoning, and communication, that is severe enough to interfere with daily life. Common symptoms include forgetfulness, confusion, difficulty with familiar tasks, and changes in mood or behavior. For individuals living with dementia, these challenges can make everyday activities like managing medications or preparing meals increasingly difficult. Families often find themselves adapting routines and providing extra support, which can be both emotionally and physically demanding. Understanding these changes is the first step toward finding compassionate solutions that help everyone involved. Caring for someone with dementia is a deeply emotional journey, often marked by a mix of stress, grief, and profound love. Many caregivers experience moments of frustration and sadness as they navigate the changes in their loved one's abilities and personality. It's natural to grieve the loss of shared memories and the life you once knew together, even as you find new ways to connect. At the same time, the act of caregiving can bring unexpected moments of closeness and meaning, reminding you of the enduring bonds that remain. Recognizing and honoring these complex feelings is an important part of supporting both your loved one and yourself. Creating a safe and supportive home environment is one of the most important steps you can take as a caregiver. Start by identifying and minimizing common risks, such as removing tripping hazards, installing grab bars in bathrooms, and ensuring good lighting throughout the house. Establishing consistent routines can also provide a sense of security and predictability, helping your loved one feel more at ease each day. Simple practices like labeling drawers, keeping frequently used items within easy reach, and gently reminding your loved one about daily activities can make a big difference. By combining practical safety measures with thoughtful routines, you help foster both independence and peace of mind for everyone involved. Connecting with someone who has dementia often requires a gentle and thoughtful approach. Using simple, clear language can help your loved one better understand what you're saying, and speaking slowly gives them time to process each word. Patience is key. Allow extra time for responses, and try not to rush the conversation. Nonverbal cues, like a warm smile or a reassuring touch, can communicate comfort and support even when words are hard to find. Remember, the goal is to create a sense of safety and understanding, making each interaction meaningful for both of you. Caring for someone with dementia often means navigating challenging behaviors like agitation, confusion, or wandering. These behaviors can be distressing, but understanding their root causes can help you respond more effectively. Try to identify triggers, such as pain, hunger, or changes in routine, and address them when possible. Maintaining a calm environment, using gentle reassurance, and offering simple choices can also help reduce anxiety and confusion. Remember, these behaviors are a form of communication, and responding with patience and empathy can make a meaningful difference for both you and your loved one. Caring for a loved one can be deeply rewarding, but it also brings unique challenges that can take a toll on your own well-being. Prioritizing self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for sustaining your ability to provide compassionate, effective support. Simple practices like taking regular breaks, staying connected with friends, and asking for help when you need it can make a significant difference in preventing burnout. Remember, caring for yourself allows you to be at your best for those who depend on you. By nurturing your own health, you're building the resilience needed for the caregiving journey ahead. Support networks play a crucial role in the caregiving journey. Reaching out to family and friends can provide both practical assistance and emotional encouragement, helping to lighten the load you may feel. Local caregiver groups and online communities are also valuable resources, offering a space to share experiences, seek advice, and connect with others who truly understand the challenges you face. These networks can make a meaningful difference, reminding you that you are not alone and that help is available when you need it most. CareYaya offers a fresh approach to in-home dementia care by connecting families with healthcare students from top universities. These students are carefully vetted, ensuring that your loved one receives attentive, compassionate support from individuals who are both knowledgeable and genuinely invested in caregiving. The platform stands out for its affordability, with rates starting around $15 per hour and no hidden fees, making quality care accessible to more families. CareYaya's flexible scheduling means you can find help for overnight, weekend, or last-minute needs, providing peace of mind when you need it most. This intergenerational model not only benefits seniors, but also gives future healthcare professionals valuable hands-on experience, creating a meaningful connection for everyone involved. CareYaya stands out as an exceptional choice for families navigating the challenges of dementia care. The platform's intergenerational model brings together seniors and compassionate healthcare students, fostering meaningful companionship that can help reduce isolation and spark moments of joy for those living with dementia. Flexible scheduling means families can arrange care when it's truly needed, including evenings, weekends, or last-minute situations. An essential advantage, as dementia care needs often change unpredictably. Additionally, because CareYaya caregivers are future healthcare professionals, they bring valuable clinical insight and understanding to their interactions, supporting both the emotional and practical needs of families. This unique combination of warmth, adaptability, and informed care makes CareYaya especially well-suited for dementia support. When comparing CareYaya to traditional home care agencies, several important differences stand out. CareYaya offers a more affordable rate, starting around $15 per hour, and provides flexible scheduling that includes overnight and last-minute care without extra fees. Traditional agencies, while often staffed by experienced caregivers, may have higher hourly rates, require minimum hours, and can be less adaptable to sudden changes or overnight needs. Both options conduct thorough background checks and prioritize safety, but CareYaya's model connects seniors with motivated healthcare students, fostering meaningful intergenerational relationships. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your family's unique needs, preferences, and the type of support your loved one requires. In addition to CareYaya, there are several other reputable home care providers that families often consider for dementia caregiving. Agencies like Home Instead, Visiting Angels, and Right at Home are well-established and offer structured care plans, experienced caregivers, and support for a range of dementia-related needs. Many of these providers have specialized training programs for their staff, which can be reassuring for families navigating complex behavioral or medical challenges. However, it's important to note that these agencies may have higher hourly rates, minimum shift requirements, or less flexibility for overnight and weekend coverage compared to CareYaya. Each provider brings unique strengths, so understanding these practical considerations can help you find the best fit for your loved one's situation. Choosing the right care solution for your loved one can feel overwhelming, but asking the right questions can make all the difference. Start by considering your family's unique needs. Think about the level of care required, preferred schedules, and any special medical or companionship needs. When evaluating providers, look for transparency in pricing, flexibility in scheduling, and clear communication about caregiver qualifications. It's also important to ask about background checks, training, and how caregivers are matched with families. By focusing on these factors, you can find a provider who not only meets your practical needs, but also brings peace of mind and genuine support to your family. Every caregiving journey is deeply personal, shaped by the unique needs and circumstances of your loved one and your family. It's important to remember that there is no single right answer. What matters most is finding solutions that truly work for you. Don't hesitate to reach out for support, ask questions, and explore your options with confidence. By staying informed and seeking help when needed, you're already making a meaningful difference in your loved one's life.